In today's rapidly evolving educational landscape, the role of an instructional designer has never been more crucial. As organizations seek innovative ways to enhance education and training, the demand for skilled instructional designers continues to grow. This course goes beyond a basic introduction. It provides practical insights into the entire design process, equipping you with the tools to create effective and engaging learning solutions. Through interactive lessons and hands-on activities, you'll engage in best practices and apply real-world strategies. Our user-friendly online platform offers flexible learning, allowing you to revisit key topics and track your progress. Gamification features like badges, leaderboards, and ratings keep you motivated and engaged. By the end of the program, you'll receive a certificate of completion, demonstrating your expertise and giving you a competitive edge in the instructional design field. Whether you're an experienced professional looking to refine your skills or a newcomer eager to explore the possibilities of educational technology, this program will empower you to create transformative learning experiences.